Hi, I'm Regan McDonald. I'm Public Health Research Officer at Icon Gallery, and this is my inspiring head story. Creative help is often defined as creative approaches or activities to prevent ill health or promote well-being. I think that's quite a broad, quite vague definition, but to me that's quite exciting. Often we're taught to think about health through very specific spatial or structural relationships. But creative health allows us to pay attention to the culture, storytelling, media, artistic practice that influence and shape how we experience health, but then also, in and of itself, shape health the other way around. I think this exhibition can really point to what is missed and show the gaps in the healthcare system that we don't see without being creative. I think if you'd have asked me 5 years ago, I would have never said that I would curate an exhibition or be a part of something like this. It is surprising how much, I suppose it's probably geography, primes you to think in this way and to think creatively and think about how a place and a space really can influence people's ideas, people's behaviors, and work to make a difference. My geography degree is in that way allow me to think spatially, structurally, and relationally. And I think that becomes really important then when you're thinking about curation and making the relationships between things like light and health, pollution and health, and race, and the various intersections that cross across those issues. It's the first step to making a very meaningful change. And I think what art allows people to do is it gives another way in, and through sensory embodied and more experientially driven spaces. I think we're able to extend and practice our empathy in quite a meaningful way. Internships or programs like Feed Roads, I think are really important for building, at least for me, for building the confidence and networks that potentially we don't know exist at the point that we're starting on our journeys. It allows us to stand on the shoulders of the giants that have come before us and have worked to create those networks in a way where you don't have to spend time tailing through everything you can to find the people that speak and think like you do.